Hello, American Patriots. Douglas Ducote here with some breaking news. If you haven't already heard, of course, I'm sure you're aware by now of the explosive comments yesterday, just prior to the debate by a former colleague of Hunter Biden when he spoke out about being the recipient of the emails in question on the laptop that Hunter Biden left at a repair shop. Well, we know that the FBI has the laptop. Well, now we know the FBI has asked for an interview with Hunter Biden associate, and his name is Tony Bobulinski. He is set to sit down today with the FBI to discuss his dealings with these emails. The FBI has confirmed that they've asked for the meeting, but that's all they've confirmed. I appreciate that the FBI has a job to do, said the Senate Homeland Security Committee Chairman, Senator Ron Johnson. He believes that they're taking the matter seriously. I expect that Mr. Bobulinski will speak with our committee as soon as possible and fully share his insight into the Biden's family dealings, business dealings. Bobulinski, who was listed as the recipient of the email published by the New York Post that appeared to detail a business arrangement involving a Chinese company and members of the Biden family, confirmed in a statement Thursday that the email is genuine. He is the person that Hunter Biden was communicating with. Now, why is this so important? Well, he gives proof positive that the emails are true and they're real. And what they tell is very, very concerning. The emails include notes that say, Hunter has some office expectations he will elaborate. A proposed equity split reference, 20 for H and 10 held by H for the big guy, with no further details. H being Hunter and the big guy being his father, Joe Biden, meaning that Hunter will take his dad's money and deep six it so that his dad doesn't get busted with it. The reference to the big guy is the email is in fact reference to Joe Biden, Bobulinski said. Biden's tax returns released in September revealed no personal business interest in China. Now, if you have a personal business interest in China or a foreign country and you're running for president, you must release that information. Bobulinski said he is the CEO of Sinahawk Holdings, which he explained was a partnership between the Chinese operating through CEFC, Chairman Ye, and the Biden family. He said he brought the CEO by Hunter Biden and James Giller, who was listed as the sender of the email. The Biden campaign fired back, calling the accusations a desperate, pathetic farce executed by a failing campaign. Bobulinski was a guest of President Trump at Thursday night's presidential debate. Joe Biden has never even considered being involved in a business with his family, nor in any overseas business whatsoever, the Biden campaign spokesman Andrew Bates said in a statement. He has never held stock in any such business arrangements, nor has any family member or any other person ever held stock for him. Well, the emails show otherwise. The activity in question never delivered any project revenue, but Bobulinski claimed he met with Joe Biden regarding his son's business ventures, and in an event with reporters Thursday before the debate, where he declined to take questions, he presented 3 phones he claimed contained collaborating evidence. I've seen Vice President Biden saying he never talked to Hunter about his business. I've seen firsthand that that's not true, because it wasn't just Hunter's business. They said they were putting the Biden family's name and its legacy on the line. And therefore, we must keep Joe Biden's name out of this so that it doesn't destroy the family name if the information was to come out that they are doing secret dealings with China, with Russia, with other foreign companies and entities and countries, and not telling the federal government about it. This is as big as the Hillary Clinton scandal. Once again, we have someone that wants to be your president that's a liar and that has had foreign interference in what they're doing without letting the United States of America government know about. Hillary was no different. Now, it is good to see that the FBI would like to sit down and talk to this gentleman, who, by the way, is also a military veteran. Not that that matters in this whatsoever, but he was a naval officer. Here is a guy that is telling the world the emails are true. I'm the recipient of these emails. Not only did I meet with Hunter Biden to discuss how we're going to make billions of dollars illegally, but I also met with his father, Joe Biden, and we all discussed how to do this without Joe Biden being brought into it. Basically, he would be a silent partner so that the United States government doesn't catch wind of this. Folks, that's pretty damn serious. That's what's happening right now. I hope that the FBI puts together a grand jury immediately to go over everything that they have, because this needs to come to light. CNN's not going to cover it. MSNBC's not going to cover it. No liberal media is going to touch this story because they don't want to do harm to the Democrat running for president. Just like what happened in 2016, where they refused to cover the truth about what was happening with Hillary Clinton and her emails. As always, please say a prayer for our men and women serving the United States military, our veterans, our law enforcement officers, our first responders, their families, our angel families, our blue and gold star families, our president, and our country. Hope you're all having a wonderful and blessed evening. For now, I'm Ducote Sr, and I'll be talking to you real soon. Have a blessed day, everyone.